This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Suzanne Simpson bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01012112. Captivating mountain home with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, 1,312 square feet. Just minutes from Twain Harte. Open concept floor plan allows for great entertaining with loved ones. Gorgeous pine flooring throughout the living room, and granite countertops in the spacious kitchen. Open beams and pellet fireplace give this home that true mountain feel. Effortless flow from the living room to the expansive back deck with treetop views and crisp mountain air will surely make you feel refreshed and loving life. Master bedroom conveniently located on the main living area. Upstairs you will find 2 large bedrooms and a full bath with fresh-looking carpet. Second bedroom offers a private patio in a tranquil setting to read a good book and sip a morning cup of tea or coffee. This home offers a substantial amount of parking for the whole family, and sturdy parking pad with enough room to park your trailer. Excellent opportunity for a permanent residence or that vacation home you have been dreaming of. Don't delay and give us a call today for a private tour. https://crealtors.org/wp-content/uploads/2020/05/ all entrance notice and pictogram sign 52620.pdf. For more information, review the details below or contact Suzanne Simpson bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01012112 at 209-586-5200.